Open a brokerage account. The first step in investing in stocks is to open a brokerage account with a reputable firm. You can choose an online brokerage or work with a local financial advisor. Determine your investment goals. Before you start investing in stocks, it's important to determine your investment goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or some other financial goal? Understanding your goals will help you determine how much risk you are willing to take on and what types of stocks to invest in. Educate yourself. It's important to educate yourself about the stock market and different investment strategies. This will help you make informed decisions about your investments. You can learn about the stock market through online courses, books, or by working with a financial advisor. Develop a diversified portfolio. As a beginner, it's generally a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different stocks. This can help to spread risk and increase the chances of making a profit. Start small. When you are first starting out, it's a good idea to start with a small amount of money and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable with the stock market. It's important to remember that investing in the stock market carries some level of risk, and you should be prepared for the possibility of losing money. However, with proper research and a long-term investment horizon, stocks can be a good way to build wealth over time.